Alright. We are trying to attempt to knock the A-frame out. Everything inside is gutted, so if it goes to plan, the whole A-frame will come forward from the middle of the house. And this is a project that's been a long project, but this week has been a promising week. Got a lot accomplished. We have this tractor over here that's going to pull it down, and hopefully if everything works out, it will come forward. Let me get this out of the way. It's kind of chilly out. It's probably like 27 degrees. Have this wonderful fire beside us, keeping us nice and toasty for when it's cold out. It's probably going on 7:30, 8 o'clock. I'm not 100% sure. Oh Lord. God damn. Alright, now we're gonna try this attempt. Oh shoot, I got it. Well, hopefully it all works. Here we go. You can hear it crumbling. Crumbling is not the right word, but sounds like it's getting ready to go. Here it goes. Here it goes. Woo! And that is how you get one to collapse. What a success. I sure did.
That's what I'm talking about, dude. You gotta text that to me. That was awesome.
It was kind of cool because you could see it all come towards me.
Yeah, totally.
And that's how you successfully take a A-frame roof off without taking it completely off.